Hello everyone, today I'm in Kodian Kedah, following Mr. Hanif to visit his rice harvesting machine. Have you ever wondered how this machine work? Come, let's follow me up. Wow, I'm above the paddy and the machine is going to cut the paddy soon.
Apa yang terjadi pertiwi saat ini? Hari-hari kita diancam teraniaya, kehidupan dimusnahkan melanda.
By the way, do you know that the paddy takes about 100 days before it's ready to harvest by this jumbo machine? And we call this machine the rice harvester. Here, this is the rice filtered by the machine, and this is a straw after the process. Now the harvester is transferring the paddy to the lorry, and it will send for milling process at the factory. Look at the sun, so panas lah. Nah. The abang is on top to check and make sure it is spinning well and no any left out. Good job, harvester. Bye for now. Sangat panas lah, ayo.